Hello students, today we going to start part 8 Solow model. Transition to golden rule steady state, starting with too much capital. We first consider the case in which the economy begins at steady state with more capital than it would have in the golden rule steady state. That means K star is greater than K star gold, or we can say that saving rate is greater than S gold. In this case, the policy maker should pursue policy aimed at reducing the rate of saving in order to reducing the capital stock. So the policy maker it reducing the saving rate in order to reduce the capital stock. Suppose that these policies succeed and at some point of time t0, all time is t0, the saving rate is reduced. A reduction in saving rate will have two impacts. First, when there will be immediate increase in consumption, immediate decrease in investment. We can see some changes figure in reduction in saving rates will have two impacts. There will be immediate increase in consumption, and second will immediate decrease in investment. Clear? But now let us know that what is the logic, what is the reason behind some changes. First, let us explore the relationship between output is either consumed or saved, right? Where small s denote the saving rate. If saving rate goes down, then means there will be more output for consumption. So in this case, our consumption level will be increased, right? Now let's observe the relationship between these two. Investment is equal to SY. Small s denote the saving rate. Their investment equal to saving rate. This will decrease in investment, right? Before the reduction in the saving rate, investment is equal to depreciation. That means economy was at steady state. After the reduction in the saving rate, investment is less than depreciation. We have seen reduction in saving rate, reduction in saving rate. After the reduction in the saving rate, investment less than the depreciation, which means that economy is no longer in steady state. When investment is less than depreciation, gradually the capital stock falls, and this will lead to reduction in Output as output function of capital stock. If of capital stock is goes down, is capital stock will have to impact reduction in output. Decrease in consumption first will. Second one is investment. Consumption depends on investment. On output, consumption decrease, output also decrease. Investment is equal to saving times FK. So investment equal to saving rate. If output decline, if this output goes down, then investment will also reduce, right? Output, consumption and investment, these variables will continue to fall until the economy reaches new steady state. We can see these changes are in a figure. So output will fall. In the same way, consumption will also reduce. And last one is investment. So these variables continue to fall until the economy reaches new steady state, new golden rule steady state. Because we are assuming that the new steady state is golden rule, steady state consumption must be higher than it was before the change in the saving rate. Even throughout, we can see in the figure consumption is higher than it was initial steady state, and output and investment are lower. Note that compared to consumption in the old steady state, consumption is higher not only in the new steady state but also along the entire path to it. We can see in the figure consumption is higher. Consumption is above is the dotted line is initial steady state. If you can observe, consumption is here along the entire path in the new steady state. Clear? When the capital stock exceeds the golden rule level, reducing saving is clearly is a good policy, for it increases consumption at every point in time. Clear? Thank you and subscribe the our channel.